Hi students! Welcome back sa Math. And today, pag-uusapan natin ang indices or exponents. Isa ito sa mga importanteng topics sa math, lalo na pagdating sa algebra and beyond. Sa lesson na to, pag-uusapan natin ang positive index, zero index, negative index, at fractional index. So tara, step by step natin itong i-explain. Taglish style para mas mabilis at madali. Let's go! Section 1, what are indices? So unang-una, let's define what our indices are. So meron tayo dito, a power of n. Okay? So ganun basahin to. A power of n. Which a is yung base. Alright? So, ito yung number na imumultiply. At saka yung n, which is the index or exponent. Ito ang nagsasabi kung ilang beses imumultiply yung base. So, let's have an example. Example number 1, a power of 3. So, yung a is yung base at saka yung power ay kung ilang beses imumultiply yung a. So, therefore, a times a times a, tatlong beses. Next, example number 2, 2 power of 4. So, that is, 2 is yung base, tapos 4 na beses daw natin siyang imumultiply. Alright, so that's it. So, let's move on. A, positive index. Ano nga ba ang positive index? Ito yung pinaka-basic at madaling intindihin. Kapag positive index, imumultiply lang natin ang base by itself ng paulit-ulit. Example, number 1, 3 power of 2. So that is equal to 3 times 3 equals to 9. Example number 2, 4 power of 3, that is equal to 4 times 4 times 4, which is equal to 64. And then yung number 3, 5 power of 1, that is equal to 5, isa lang. So the answer is the base itself. Okay? Base itself. Walang exponent. Halimbawa, walang exponent. 2. Okay? Ibig sabihin yan, ang exponent yan is 1. Laging tatandaan yan, ha? Pag yung whole number, or yung number walang exponent, ang exponent niyan ay 1. So, pwedeng hindi na natin isulat yung exponent. Okay? So, let's move on to the next is yung letter B, which is yung zero index. So, dito sa zero index, meron tayong rule. Yung rule niya ay any non-zero number raised to 0 is always 1. So, ang ibig sabihin yan, kahit na anong number daw na non-zero, pag yung power niya is 0, is always 1. So, let's have an example. Okay? 5 power of 0 is equal to 1. And 1 power of 0 is also equal to 1. And yung number 3, open and close parenthesis, negative 3 power of 0 is also equal to 1. Okay. Yung next natin is yung negative index. Sa negative index, meron tayong rule. 1 over a power of n is equal to a power of 0 and a power of n. Okay? Kasi remember nyo, yung 1 is equal to power of 0, di ba? Okay? 1 is equal to a power of 0. So, that will give us a power of 0 minus n. And that will give us a negative power of negative n. So therefore, a power of negative n is equal to 1 over a power of n. So yan yung rule natin. Ito. So let's have an example. 2 power of negative 3. So kukunin lang natin yung reciprocal. So ang reciprocal niyan is 1 over 2 power of 3. So tignan natin dito, yung pag kinuha mo yung reciprocal, yung negative 3, pag binaba mo siya, magiging positive na siya here. Okay? So negative 3, positive 3 here. So let's go on. That will equal to 1 over 2 times 2 times 2. And that will equal to 1 power of, or 1 over 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8. So yan na yung sagot natin. Okay? Next is yung example number 2. Yung open and close parenthesis 3 over 4 power of negative 2. And that will give us, kunin ulit natin yung reciprocal. 3 over 4, open and closed, and then yung power is from negative, magiging positive siya. And that will equal to 3 over 4 times 3 over 4. And that will equal to 1 over 3 times 3 is equal to 9 over 16. So 1 over 9 over 16, that is also equal to 16 over 9. Flip lang natin. Okay? So yan yung sagot sa negative index. Alright? So let's move on to the last, which is yung fractional index. Sa fractional index, meron tayong dalawang rule. Ang first rule is this one. A power of 1 over n. So ano nga ba to? Ano nga ba ang a power of 1 over n? Is yan yung positive nth root of a. So isulat natin para madaling intindihin. So that will give us positive nth root of a. As long as a is not equal to 0. As long as yung a is not equal to 0. So ito yung ating first rule. Next, yung ating next rule, yung a power of m over n. Ano nga ba yan? Yan yung mth power of nth root of a, or the nth root of a power of m. So isulat natin para madaling intindihin. That is equal to nth root of a power of m, or equal to nth root of a power of m. The same lang sila. Okay? As long as a is not also equal to 0. So yan yung ating second rule. Okay, so let's have an example. So we have here example number 1, 64 power of 1 over 2. So ito yung n natin. Yung 2 is yung n. Okay? So just like this example. So let's continue. So that will give us, okay, square root of 64. Or tandaan natin, pag hindi na sinulat wala kang nakita dyan, ibig sabihin yan, 2 yung nandyan, or square root. Okay? So, and that will give us square root of 8, power of 2 dyan. So, cancel out. That will give us, or equal to, 8. So, yan yung sagot. So, dumako tayo sa pangalawang example. Yung open and close parenthesis 1 over 32, power of 1 over 5. So, meron tayo ditong, okay? Or that is equal to, okay, fifth root, kasi yan yung n, of 1 over 32. Now, pwede natin yan i-rewrite into fifth root of 1 over fifth root of 32. And that will give us fifth root of 1 over fifth root of 2 over 5. Okay, so pwede na natin yang i-cancel out. And yung fifth root of 1 is also equal to 1 over 2. So yung sagot is 1/2. Yan yung sagot. Okay. So meron tayo ditong pangatlong example. At yung pangatlong example ay yan yung ating magiging challenge. Okay? So opening close parenthesis 16 over 625, power of negative 3 over 4. So yan yung ating challenge. At kung nakuha mo ang sagot, pwede mo siyang i-comment. Okay? At ayan, na-cover na natin ang iba't ibang klase ng indices. From positive, 0, negative, hanggang fractional. So, kailangan nyo lang i-review ang mga rules at practice para mas tumibay ang skills nyo sa math. So, kung nakatulong ang lesson na to, huwag kakalimutan mag-like, subscribe for more videos, at i-comment kung may gusto kayong i-request na topic. Alright? And yung ating susunod na lesson is about law of indices. So this is Gramat. Always remember, math is easier when explained the right way. See you in my next video. Happy studying!